Can
Can
people?
people tell if an earthquake is coming?
Mm-hmm.
Scientists who study earthquakes are called
Seismologist. 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 Although
Though
they know.
they know where earthquakes are likely to happen, they usually can say exactly when.
Do you think it's possible to predict the earthquake?
No.
No. That's unpredictable. Even they study earthquake, but they have no idea, when and what time exactly like to happen. It's impossible. Okay, next one. Here.
People have tried to design earthquake-proof buildings.
What is earthquake-proof building?
It's like in the
Even there's an earthquake happening,
yeah.
that this building is safe. Never collapse. Maybe collapse, but there's a little possibility of collapsing. Okay, that means this building can be designed to withstand. Withstand means 견디다, withstand the force of this magnitude. Can you read the next one? Some of the latest ones are
Shaped as
pyramid or cone. Pyramid like a cones like building is we can say that earthquake proof building. Okay. Next one.
Animal seems to feel the land moving long before we do. Dogs herd, snakes wiggle.
One of their holes
Holes
and chickens run for their lives. So you see, before the earthquake,
Yeah,
worm, 지렁이,
yeah.
they just crawl, out of the ground. Why? Now they're escaping, okay? So that's why there's a sign of, the earthquake when this crawl, okay, out of the, ground, okay?
I think the snakes wiggle out of their holes.
Yeah, sure.
It's
Their
so
hole.
dangerous in the hole. I think they're so smart.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Next one. The people of ancient China.
Ancient China believed that the earth was balanced on the shoulders of a giant ox. Earthquakes happen when the ox shifted the earth from one shoulder to the other.
Okay, then now look at this. Can scientists predict
exactly what on earth
occur?
No. Even though they know the area where predict
Earthquakes are more likely.
they usually can't predict the exact time.
Okay, one more time. Can scientists predict exactly when an earthquake will occur?
No, because
Even though
they know where earthquake can happen more likely, but they can't know if
they can't predict
if
the exact time.
exact time.
What about number 2?
What are scientists who study earthquakes? They're called
Seismologists. They're called seismologists. They focus on learning about earthquake. They focus on learning about earthquake. One more time. What are scientists who study earthquake called?
They're
Seismologists. They focus on learning about earthquake. What about number 3?
Number 3 is
what kinds of shapes are used in new earthquake-resistant building? Some of the modern buildings are designed in the shape of cones or pyramids to better withstand earthquake. One more time. What kinds of shape are used in new earthquake-resistant building?
It's called the earthquake With buildings, some of the latest ones are shaped like pyramids or courts.
Yeah. Some of the modern buildings are designed to, okay, in the shape of, cones or pyramid to better withstand earthquake. Okay?
Yeah.
Number 4, can you read it?
How did the ancient Chinese people believe about
Cause of the earthquake. They thought earthquake was caused when a giant ox holding the earth moved it from one shoulder to another. One more time. What did ancient Chinese people believe about the cause of the earthquake?
People of ancient China believed that the earth was balanced on the shoulders of a giant ox. Earthquake happened when the earth shifted the earth from one shoulder to the other.
Okay, number 5.
Why might
How the animals behave
before
before earthquake.
an earthquake?
Animals often react strangely. Dogs may howl, snakes might come out of their hole, and chickens could run around in fear. One more time. How the animals behave before earthquake.
Snakes wiggle out of their holes,
Mhm.
and chickens run
Around in fear. Number 6. Why might animals notice earthquake before humans? Animals seem to sense the ground moving earlier. Okay, one more time. Animals seem to sense the ground moving earlier than people can. One more time. Why might animals notice earthquake before humans? Animals seem to sense the ground moving. Seem to sense the ground moving earlier, okay, than people can. Okay, then, number 1, can scientists predict exactly when an earthquake will occur?
No, because
Even though they know the area where earthquakes are more likely, they usually can't predict the exact time. What are the scientists who study earthquake called? Seismologists. They focus on learning about earthquake. What kind of shape are used in new earthquake-resistant building? Some of the modern buildings are designed in the shape of cones or pyramid to better withstand earthquake. One more time. Some of the modern buildings are designed in the shape of cones or pyramid to better withstand earthquake. Okay? What did ancient Chinese people believe about the cause of the earthquake?
They believed that the earth was balanced on the shoulders of a giant ox.
When a giant ox holding the earth moved it from one shoulder to another. Okay? How do animals behave before an earthquake?
Dogs, horses, snakes,
Animals often react strangely. Dogs may howl, snake might come out of their hole, chicken could run around in fear. Why might animals notice earthquake before humans?
because they can sense them more earlier.
Yeah, animals seem to sense the ground moving. Sense the ground moving earlier, okay?
Yeah.
One more time.
The
Animals seem to sense the ground moving earlier than people can. One more time. Why might animals notice earthquake before humans? Animals seem to sense the ground moving earlier than man can do. Okay?
Yeah.
So, how do animals behave before an earthquake? Animals often react strangely. Dogs may howl.
All and
Snake might come out of their hole.
chickens
And chicken could run around in fear.